Help Center Tutorials. How to record an expense on Precision Systems. The Expenses section allows you to record the cash outflows due to regular expenses and to keep track of the disbursements of the institution. To record an expense, simply follow these steps. From your menu, go to Expenses. Press the Plus Expense button located at the top of your screen to add your expense. A chat box will be displayed, where you will have to fill in the information about the expense in question. In the first field, enter the amount of the expense using the numeric keypad and validate. Then specify the reason, the nature, and/or the purpose of your expense in the Reason field. Then justify your expense in the Justification field. To do this, you can take a picture or scan the label by pressing Camera or Scan a Document, respectively, to activate the camera of your device. Choose a photo or a file from your album or library by pressing Photos or File, respectively. Once you have completed the required fields, you will only have to press the button at the bottom of the chat box to save your expense. This way, your expense will appear in the list of expenses for the day or session and will be taken into account for the calculation of variances. Once saved, the administrator will be able to view the expenses in the Revenue Management section from his admin interface from the web, or from his mobile application My Precision.